I don't know why men always derive joy in hurting their wives, even when their wife is so faithful to them. So this young man reached out to me to share his own part of the story about what he has been passing through in his marriage for the past 5 years. So I'm going to read out the story exactly the way he sent it to me. Please, as you are enjoying this video and the story, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I married 2 wives in 2 different places. My first wife was the woman I truly loved, the mother of my children. The second, she was a mistake I hid from my first wife. One thing led to another and I cheated. The woman I cheated with refused to let go. That's all they talk. She claimed she was pregnant and refused to get rid of it. She insisted I married her. Now, I pay rent for 2 separate apartments, one for my first wife and children, where I officially lived, and the other for the second woman. And it wasn't just any house I got her. It was a classy, well-furnished apartment. To rent and furnish this her apartment, I denied my family food and basic needs. I lied that I was broke just so I could save up. Then I secretly married her without the knowledge of my first wife or our children. Since then, I have been living between 2 homes, lying to my first wife about meeting or travels, just to spend time with my second wife. It hasn't been easy. I have been living like a shell of myself, trying to survive and take care of 2 families without crashing. What my first wife takes in 3 months is what my second wife takes in 1 month. Money was bleeding from my pocket down to my second wife. I was sinking fast. So one day I asked my second wife, can't you at least try to find a job or something to support our growing family? She flared up. What? With this pregnancy? With your child? I see now. This is your plan to make me lose this baby. But never. I have to swallow my words and keep struggling, trying to carry the cross I created for myself. So one day, I confided in one of my friends. He told me something that shocked me. Don't be surprised if that baby is not even yours. That thought haunted me. After my second wife gave birth, I decided to find out the truth. I did a DNA test secretly. And guess what? The child wasn't mine. I cried bitterly. So all this time I have been spending money, time, energy on a woman who lied to me. When I confronted her, she simply said, well, I thought you wouldn't take me serious after I found out you were married. You found out? I was stunned. I thought I had hidden everything perfectly. Of course, she continued. A week after we started dating, I knew, but I didn't think it would get serious. So I kept seeing someone else. So who was the real father? I asked her. After all the interrogation, I later found out that she had pinned the pregnancy on me while secretly dating the real father, her boyfriend, and using my money to support and grow his business. I was furious. I packed everything I bought and furnished that apartment with every chair, every curtain, every spoon, and moved them to my main house. She can stay in the empty house until the rent is due. Then I divorced her. I have learned my lesson. I've learned it in a hard way. That experience taught me a bitter lesson. Never cheat again. And more importantly, that woman always find out the truth. Because as the mover unloaded the furniture into our main house, my first wife looked at me and said, "Ah, so you have divorced our wife. Isn't this the furniture and utensils you bought for her?" At that moment, I froze. So they both knew all along. They just keep quiet. But I was lucky I survived my second wife. That woman nearly ruined me. But it left me wondering, how do women always find out when their husbands are cheating? Is it instinct? Or are they born detectives? Okay. You are just lucky. As in, you are just very, very lucky that you marry a good wife. Some women cannot tolerate that nonsense. But anyway, thank God you have learned your lesson. And you have learned it in a hard way. In your next word, if one. So now here the story end though. If you have any advice for this our young man, I beg give him, because make you no go do this kind of mistake again. If he no survive him again. Enjoy the suya, enjoy the recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more recipe and for more to read. I will leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't know moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate.